In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a study schedule for exams in Notion. Notion is an intuitive platform where you can organize your tasks, projects, and notes all in one place, making it the perfect tool for crafting a tailored study schedule. This guide will walk you through setting up a functional and organized study plan to help you efficiently prepare for your exams. First, let's dive into your connected workspace on Notion. Open your browser and navigate to the Notion website. Here, you'll find a powerful tool for creating a personalized study environment. If you're a new user, you'll need to sign up, but if you're already part of the Notion community, just click on the Login button. After logging in, you'll land on your Notion homepage. This is the central hub where all your pages reside, and it serves as the starting point for creating your study schedule. Now, let's move on to creating a new page dedicated to your study schedule. Look for the option to create a new page, which is typically found on the left side of your screen. By starting with a blank canvas, you'll have the freedom to design your study space to suit your needs. Give your new page a relevant title, something like Exam Study Schedule, to keep things organized and easily accessible. Next, it's time to customize your dashboard. This customization is where Notion truly shines, allowing you to design your workspace aesthetically while ensuring functionality. You can add different types of blocks like headers, text, and calendars to lay down the framework of your schedule. Creating sections for different subjects or modules you're studying can be particularly helpful. Use headings to demarcate these areas clearly. After setting up your dashboard, the next step is to add your courses and assignments. This is crucial for tracking what you need to study and when. For each course, you can create a dedicated section or even a subpage where you list out assignments, due dates, and important topics. Notion's database feature can be particularly useful here, as it allows you to categorize and view your courses in a streamlined way. Finally, it's time to set up your weekly tasks. Consistency is key when it comes to study schedules, so breaking down tasks into weekly goals makes them more manageable. Create a timeline or a checklist for each week leading up to your exams. It's helpful to allocate specific times and days for different subjects based on your exam timetable. Being disciplined with this routine ensures you cover all materials with ample time for revision and practice tests. By following these steps, you'll have a robust, clear, and personalized study schedule ready in Notion. Keep referring to and updating your schedule as needed, ensuring that it evolves with your study needs. Thanks for tuning in, and good luck with your studies.